In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your LinkedIn profile. Keeping your LinkedIn profile up to date is a simple but important habit, especially if you want your experience, skills, and background to reflect where you are right now. Whether you are changing a job title, adding new information, or just refreshing older sections, LinkedIn makes the process very straightforward. To begin, go to LinkedIn and make sure you are signed into your account. Once you are on the main LinkedIn page, look to the top right corner and click on Me. A small menu will appear. From that menu, select View Profile. This will take you directly to your personal profile page where all of your public professional information is displayed. Once you are on your profile, you will see the different sections that make up your profile, such as your headline, About section, work experience, education, and other details. LinkedIn organizes everything clearly, and the good thing is that each section you can edit will usually have a small pen icon. That pen icon is what you will use anytime you want to make updates. Now, go to the specific section you want to update. Take a moment to find the exact area that needs a change. When you are ready, click the pen icon located at the top right of that section. This will open the editing window for that part of your profile. From there, make the changes you want. You can update text, correct old details, or add more accurate information depending on the section you opened. It is a good idea to read through what is already there before making edits, just to make sure everything stays clear, professional, and consistent with the rest of your profile. After you have finished making your updates, click Save to apply your changes. Once saved, your profile will immediately reflect the new information. That is all it takes to update your LinkedIn profile. As a final tip, after saving, quickly review the updated section on your profile page to make sure it looks the way you want. A polished and current profile can make a strong impression, so even small updates can be worthwhile. And there you go. That is how to update your LinkedIn profile quickly and easily.